Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Every living being is an artist by itself, in itself. Especially the most advanced, serious and responsible being, human, is a multifaceted or multi-talented artist by himself. Art or the talent that I refer here does not necessarily mean fine and performing arts that are much propagated, that are much popular in the world. The innate basic traits of human nature, of intelligence and emotions, such as curiosity, zeal, diligence, art of scrutiny, drilling, perseverance, along with the compassion, love, affection, concern, forgiving, helping, all these various talents and tendencies put together, they create the artistic empire of any human being. And every artist, if human being himself is an artist, then every artist who is performing, who is exhibiting his talent is superhuman or to be superhuman in nature. Artist has his own widened responsibility and widened function also. More than the parents who beget the children, the producers of the biological sheath of their issues. They have limited responsibility in compared to that of an artist who shapes the inner sheath of every human nature. The trans-biological nature, the emotional, the intellectual and spiritual nature of every living being, the human being, is sculpted or fashioned by an artistic influence. So artist is a super parent, more than the real parents. And whatever the teacher teaches may vanish. It's not indelible. Whereas art, through the form of an art, if an artist teaches the value of the mission of the purpose of the life or every facet of life in its own inimitable format that remains indelible in the minds of people. So artist is a super teacher. And artist touches our heart, brings obedience and involvement by its own attractive nature, so it is also a super friend. It gives every essential message for us to live with our people, to live with others, to live in a broader society, to live among challenges and crucial conditions. Everything is taught by the valuable message of art or artist. So artist is also a super philosopher in nature. And ruler imposes innumerable laws, LAWS laws, and compels everybody to obey it. Whereas automatic submission or compulsion is brought by artistic influence or aesthetic influence. Everybody surrenders to art and they are ready to be obedient or subservient to every wrinkle of art and every art command that is produced by an artist. So art is more than, as an artist, he can do more than a parent, more than a teacher, more than a friend, more than a philosopher and an administrator, and he can govern the society. I wish that this event should not be one among the million events that are being celebrated in every nook and corner of the society. It should be one in a million events. It should be unique in its nature of bringing the metamorphosis in the artist empire or the artist industry. The empire of the arts society, entirely it should take a metamorphosis, a revolutionary change. Artists now, they have to realize their telescopic social view, wide-angled display, and they have to, time has come that they have to show their even their cosmic form. And this metamorphosis, I believe that this event is going to be a small spark, taking an event to the highest paradigm of a revolution. It's of a mere event. Let it be a gateway of revolution in the art industry to create more social responsibility, social influence, and at last resulting in social change. And I congratulate all the organizers, participants, volunteers, as well as the patrons doing this event. It should be permeated in every corner of the society, and it should take a great lead. It should take a strong lead, and also the noblest mission of peace building in the society. I'll be happy if in the nearest future, after a few decades, if somebody could record in history that a great change has been brought by artists. Simple, dedicated artists have brought the change, and assisted by the so-called great leaders, thinkers, scholars, scientists and rulers. Once again, wishing success for every endeavor of this organization and its mission, I take leave and hope to see all of you with more vigor and more achievements in the nearest future. Narayan, Narayan, Narayan.